Let's get real for a sec. You've tried YouTube before, right? You uploaded some videos, maybe got a few views, but then crickets. No sales, and you just kind of gave up. But what if I told you that YouTube is still a thing in 2026? Yeah, even if you're just starting out and you don't want to show your face on camera? Pretty cool, huh? So today, I'm diving into a fresh review of this new product from JVZoo called YouTube Marketing 2.0 Made Easy. I'm going to break down what it is, how it works, who it's meant for, and if it's really worth your hard-earned cash or not. So stick around till the end before you make any decisions, okay? You don't want to miss it. YouTube Marketing 2.0 Made Easy is like the holy grail of training, and it's about to blow your mind. This is tailor-made for you if you're a total newbie, if you've dabbled in YouTube and crashed and burned, or if you're just itching for traffic, leads, or those sweet, sweet affiliate sales. And let's be real, if the YouTube algorithm feels like some ancient hieroglyphics to you, this is your lifeline. Now, let me be crystal clear. This isn't some boring software. It's a powerhouse combo of training and strategy laid out in a way so simple. Even your grandma could get it. Here's the deal. This system is so straightforward it practically does the work for you in just 3 mind-blowing steps. Step 1 asterisk you'll uncover the secrets of how YouTube operates in 2026. What videos are getting the golden ticket from YouTube? What colossal blunders are sending channels straight to the grave? Why in the world are most people stuck in the viewless void? Step 2 asterisk it's all about the content strategy, baby. What kind of videos will make your audience scream? Take my money. How to pick topics that aren't just clickbait, but actually draw in the buyers. How to transform casual viewers into your loyal fan base. Not just another number on the view count. Step 3 asterisk get ready to learn the art of monetization. Affiliate marketing that actually works, no more guessing games. Traffic generation so powerful, you'll feel like a digital rock star. Turning your videos into income-generating assets that'll have you rolling in the dough. And guess what? Everything is laid out step by step, so you won't have to deal with any of that techie nonsense that makes your head spin. So what the hell are you waiting for? Dive into YouTube Marketing 2.0 Made Easy and unleash your inner YouTube titan. Here are the main features of the program. Beginner-friendly training. Simple technology requirements. Clear YouTube strategy explanations. Applicable for affiliate marketing. Suitable for faceless channels. Low-cost entry product. Easy-to-follow modules. The focus is on clarity and direction, avoiding information overload. Now, let's have a conversation about the genuine benefits. Saves you valuable time by steering clear of trial and error. Assists you in comprehending the YouTube algorithm. Strengthens your confidence level for beginners. Demonstrates how you can achieve traffic without having to rely on paid ads. Is absolutely perfect for those who are seeking side income opportunities. Proves to be extremely beneficial, even if you don't want to show your face in front of the camera. This is the perfect solution if you find yourself feeling puzzled or overwhelmed by YouTube. This product is highly suitable for beginners looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, affiliate marketers who wish to enhance their strategies, JVZoo and ClickBank promoters seeking advanced tools, people with limited budget resources but aiming to succeed in internet marketing, people hesitant about using camera due to their fear or comfort level, side hustle seekers looking for additional income opportunities. Not recommended for advanced YouTubers looking to maximize their channel's potential. Not a software that should be considered as a get-rich-quick scheme. Not an automated magic solution that can make people successful overnight. In summary, this product is tailored to cater to a wide range of needs and goals, enabling users to achieve their ambitions in the world of online marketing. The front-end price? Oh my damn, it's a steal at just about $17. For all you newbies out there, this is like the golden ticket. Low risk, sky-high learning potential, especially when you stack it up against those overpriced courses that are just a money pit. Now let's break it down. Pros: super simple and totally beginner-friendly, like a walk in the park. Ridiculously affordable. Seriously, you could blow that on a coffee run. Crystal clear strategy. No smoke and mirrors here. Absolutely zero hype language. Just the good stuff. But hold your horses. Let's keep it real with the cons. Not for the advanced folks. Sorry, not sorry. You gotta put in the action and stick to it. No slacking off. Don't expect instant results. This isn't a magic trick, folks. So, Remember this. Training only works if you actually put in the damn effort. Are you ready to hustle? Or are you just going to sit there and watch the world pass you by? So let me lay it out for you straight up. Are you totally fresh to the wild world of YouTube marketing? Want a crystal clear roadmap that's easier than pie? Looking to dodge the chaos and confusion that can come with it? Then, holy smokes, YouTube Marketing 2.0 made easy is a freaking goldmine you need to check out. I've dropped the official link right down there in the description, so don't just sit there. Click it, dive into all the juicy details, and see what the hell you think.